Akiaria hindi ya ukungwiri uyu ndagitari Isaac Odongo augite ministry ya ugima wa mwiri nirerutaniria gutigirira ni yambatiria gikiro kia umenyereri kuri aria mena thina wa meciria. Augite gukinyiria mwaka wa 2030 ministry yo niri na mwihoko wa gukorwo iri gikiro-ini kia iguru utangikiri-ini wa thina wa meciria.
You must invest in the workplace. You don't have to wait to treat diseases or mental health problems. We must invest in the workplace where majority of the people spend most of their time in. And most of the problem at the workplace comes all the way from their lives in their families, their lives in the workplace, and we must get what we call the work-life balance.
Mamwe maria megukinyanirio ni ministry iyo rungu rwa tafarira ino ni gukorwo ihotete kuruguria mubango wa guthomithia aruti a wira honge-ini nyingi uria mangihota kwinyitia niguo matikahotwo ni meciria maingi mawira-ini.
And so we are urging all stakeholders, and when we mean stakeholders, we are looking at the employees, the employers and the community in general, that they must come up with policies which looks at ways to reduce all what we call psychosocial hazards. When I talk of psychosocial hazard, I mean a work environment which is not conducive, because it will make an individual no longer be very active.
Mwena-ini wake muikarigite wa bodi ya thibitari wa Gilgil Kenneth Githi augite muikarire wa thibitari cia arwaru wa meciria ndukoretwo uri mwega, akiuga kigina kingi ni kirabatarania.
Thirikari, national government mamenye moe section iyo third section yao matuteithie at least ona makono maturihire nurses matunengere nurses different marihage wenyewe national government ona koni cia winyine wenge winyire gya the normal patient ni tukota kwirorera tontraki collective besha kuma kurio.
Kuririkana na Githi, thibitari ucio uri na thiri wa ciringi milioni 8 na murigongi wa kuhunia arwaru 100 aria mari kou. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Inooro.